Okay guys, good morning. So we're here at our day 7. So we didn't able to make a video yesterday because there's a typhoon here in our province at in Marinduque, Philippines. So that there's no electricity yesterday. So today we will continue with our day 7. So our bankroll is 10 to 46. 10 to 46. As you can see, my bankroll increased so fast because of my commissions from the bets from other players. I don't withdraw them. I just add it to my bankroll. So now let's go. There's a couple of table that will end my career here and here. So I was lucky I was able to dodge it. Let's go. Our target is 500. Total of 10 units. Oh, this is a strong banker. Strong player streak. Okay. Second bet here. Oh, we can bet here. I won't bet. Okay. I won't bet here. Maybe I won't bet here also. And let's just wait. The player here is so strong. Fuck this player. Player run. Okay, we don't have other bet. There's a mosquito. I'll just open the electric fan. Okay, I open the electric fan. Let's go. Okay, I win. Maybe I'm gonna bet here. The sounds of the electric fan is so noise. Okay, that's more better. No, I didn't. Oh my goodness. Okay, let's go. We already have 10 to. So we're gonna make it 11. I'm gonna cash out. I'm gonna cash out 500 so that we lose here. Okay, let's go. Oh, what other loss? Oh, it's a tie. Nice one. Nice one. Okay. Uh, this multi-table of evolution gaming has been very handy for me. I can make a lot of bet in just a little time. So it makes me win more. This lightning baccarat is winning. Has a player streak, very strong player streak. Let's try to bet here. Maybe we can have some multipliers. Okay, let's try here. Maybe we can have some multipliers here. Let's watch. What's 3 and 9 and 8? We need a 9 and the 8. 9 or 8. Oh my goodness. We don't need 9 or 8. 6 is enough. Okay, we didn't able to get get the multiplier. Okay, I'm trying to speak in English so that my other viewer from other country can understand me. Sorry for my English, not that good. This is dangerous. This will gonna be a player because it's a stair. 1 2 3 4 5, and then this will be 6, but this not. That's why I don't. That's why I just bet on banker. There's no pattern. There's no anything. Banker has the edge. Banker has the statistical edge. So I just bet on banker. Okay. Banker has the statistical edge. So I just bet on banker. Martingale 5 times. I just bet it 5 times because there's no return. There's no sense making the 6 bet because there's no return because of the commission. Even here in 5 times, the fifth step only gives me 10 pesos of my 50 pesos original bet. So I'm trying to get 10 pesos. I'm betting 800 pesos to get 10 pesos in return. So ridiculous, but it's all right. I don't I don't try to get 10 pesos. I try to get 760. So I lost 750 plus my 10 pesos na bonus. Okay. Sa loss. What if I make it Grand Martingale? No, I don't like Grand Martingale. I will be so I will get confused. Martingale will be enough. I won't bet here because the show is almost over. A 9. Oh my. Should have win one there, but doesn't matter. Oh, I made a wrong bet here. I should have bet 200, but it's alright. I lost there. So I'm gonna bet 300. Okay. Instead of 400, I'm gonna bet 300. Give me a win here. Okay, I won that. Should have been 400. So okay, this will be my last bet. So we are already done. We have already reached. Oh no, I should have not bet here, but it's okay. It's gonna win. Okay. So we're all done. We get our target 11,000. So we're gonna cash out 500 pesos. So that's all for today, guys. Please comment down below if there are suggestions or some adjustment I can make with my strategy, so that I can make some adjustment. I can update my strategy. Thank you for watching. If you're gonna gamble, please gamble responsibly. Do not bet, only bet money that you can afford to lose. Okay, don't bet your money that you will pay your bills with. Okay, that's all, guys. Thank you, guys, and God bless.